So this is a small guide how to disconnect the ABS sensor on a Renault Scenic 2 from 2008 1.9 diesel. It's not going to be the outer connection but the inner connection. I've had some trouble with that. And the inner connection is like this, and you can see there are some small let's see if we can get the lighting right, small grooves here, there and there, and they have to slide over this like this, and the connector connects like this. Is hard to do one-handed, but something like this. But in order to something like this, but in order to disconnect the connector, you have to clean the part coming from the car, and then you press let's see if I can, you press the middle part, you press down like this with your thumb to disconnect the two parts. You don't have to put in a screwdriver or something like that, but press on the part coming from the car in the middle, and then you can pull that one to the rear. This is on the front left side. I hope that can help you, because I have had some trouble, because I had a lot of anti-corrosion stuff, all the black stuff here sprayed on, and that sort of almost glued the connector together. Hope this was a bit helpful. Please bear in mind that I'm doing this one-handed.